Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys lava mobile guys talkback double tap problem how to solve. Friends, we have talkback double tap activate problem, so how to fix one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can see I cannot operate my lava mobile because of talkback problem. So when how to fix talkback problem one by one I will show you in this video. So when don't skip the video. Use your two finger, unlock your device. After unlock phone, again use your two finger because if you use one finger you cannot swipe here. Use your two finger. Open your phone setting with double tap. Double tap, continue. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your lava mobile. Friends, in your lava mobile friends, click here. Bluetooth setting, use your two finger, again scroll. Friends, click here assistant setting, double tap. Again use your two finger. Last option friends, click here accessibility setting, double tap. Friends, click here talkback setting, double tap. Use talkback, double tap. Stop button, double tap. Talkback problem will solve. Talkback will off in your lava mobile, and friends you can use your phone with one finger, one tap you can use it. Friends, you want to use talkback setting, you can use talkback setting from here, and you want to use talkback shortcut setting, you can on talkback shortcut setting. Friends, again we will on talkback. After on talkback friends, you can use your phone with two finger, one finger you cannot use. So friends, person who is brand new they use talkback with sound. So friends, if you click your phone sound, double tap, phone call setting will open. So friends, you can use talkback setting with two finger. Friends, again open your phone setting, double tap, search option friend, double tap, and then search your accessibility setting. Then click here second option accessibility assistant setting, intelligent assistant setting, double tap here, talkback setting, double tap, one tap, double tap, stop button, talkback problem solved. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to solve, how to fix talkback with shortcut setting in lava mobile. Friends, now you have any problem you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.